Hello you guys, it's me, SNS World here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of SpongeBob SquarePants. This is the complete 6th season, which, well, yeah, they're in volumes. I see volume 1 and volume 2, which I got these both on eBay for, both of these came in the same thing. These were both for $20. Yes, yeah, both of these were for $20. I'm glad I found this, because this one isn't too hard to find, but this one, Volume 2, is really hard to find, and it's kind of costs a lot on eBay, so I'm glad I found both of these for a good price. Anyway, and I have the complete 16 right here, and I also have right here Season 4, Volume 1, which I will unbox that when I get the 4th volume, which I just got both Season 5 volumes. I just bought both of the Season 5 volumes and Season 4 Volume 2, so I will do unboxing all those when I get those, but here's Season 6 right here. Here. And you start off with Volume 1. The top, side, the bottom, and there's the back. And it's 2 discs, with, I can't remember if they're called a slim disc or clam disc, but yeah. And I believe, the Tales from the Crypt had similar packaging like this, a little bit. You get those, but here's disc 1, the side, the back. These are really nice. Like that. See all the artwork. Disc 1. Here's disc 2. It's the back, side, and the front. There's the artwork. This and
Excuse me, sir. Is that a baggie of catnip on your seat? I have a card for that. What else you got in here? Open container of cat food, feather on the string. Is that a dead mouse?
And there's right there, and here's Volume 2, the more rare one. The front. Really, well, and if you actually notice this right here, they're pretty much just the same designs. Pretty much, but the colors are flipped, as you can see. And I really do like this artwork, it looks really nice.
Think catnip's a joke?
The front.
Think again. Vote yes on increased
Top,
animal sobriety checkpoints.
the back,
Paid for by dogs.
the side, and the back. This is probably the more rare box set. And
Bachelorette party. Can I fit this in?
And here's disc 1.
Okay, cool. I got time.
Side.
Hello, ladies.
And the back.
Oh, here comes the bride, huh?
And here's the artwork.
Finally, the stripper's here!
What? No, I'm not a stripper. I'm a pilot.
DVD.
See, this is a real uniform.
Ooh, take something else off, sexy.
And here's disc 2 with the back, side, and the front. The artwork.
All right, who wants me to stow my bag under their seat?
And there's the disc, and the back of the artwork.
Boy, and I thought the Federal Hill Bakery had nice ones.
And let me try to get these in here.
You should really go for it.
Sorry, I'm trying to put these in here. So yeah. So anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys, get vaccinated and stay safe. Have a nice day, everybody. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe. I'll do more, unboxing videos. I hope you guys have a good summer and have a good year and good day. Get vaccinated. Stay safe. Bye.